how to set up OBS to stream on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Mistad, and today I'll guide you on how you can set up your OBS studio to stream on Facebook. Now, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and you want to open up OBS Studio. So you can simply go ahead and open up OBS Studio. And now once you have opened it up, now I'll just remove all of it. But first you want to head into the scene option and you want to create a new scene, right? So once you create a new scene, what you want to do is you want to head into the sources option. Under sources, you want to click on plus icon, and first you want to select your display capture, since if you want to display your screen. So you can simply tap on display capture, OK, and your display should show up right here. You can choose how to display and then click on OK. Once your display is on, now you want to open up your webcam. To set up your webcam, you want to click on plus icon again, and then you want to go ahead and select the option that says video capture device. If you want to use your default PC webcam, then you can select here create new. Once you do so, it should show up your default webcam. Now I have hidden it, but it's here. But if you want to select another device, if you have already connected it, you can tap on it, click on it, and then you can select it. Once you do so, you want to click on OK, and now you can resize it. So once you have resized the webcam, you want to add in audio input, right? Under sources, you want to click on plus icon again, click on audio input capture. Sorry, this is output. So you want to select audio input capture and then click on create new. Now again, if you have default device, you can select here, or if you have new device added, then you can click on OK, and if your audio is set up, you should show up here. Now in my case, my microphone access is off, so it's not showing up here. But once you have done so, now you want to head into settings, and under settings, what you want to do is you want to head into stream. Under stream, you want to select Facebook Live and then select the server and such, and then enter in your stream key here. How you can get your stream key? You want to simply head over to Facebook, log into your account, click on live video, and once you tap on it, you want to click on go live again. Once you click on go live here, now you can see you'll get an option to go through your webcam or streaming software. You can simply click on streaming software and you can see the stream key here. You can copy it, head over to OBS Studio, back again, paste it right here, click on OK and apply it, and then go ahead and click on start streaming, and you are good to go. So this way you can start streaming on Facebook with OBS Studio. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.